Today we're going to go through the market stats of what happened in April of 2023. As usual, we'll compare it to a year ago and we'll compare it to last month to see what's going on, and we'll do a quick version at the start and then I'll go through them more detailed afterwards. So I'm David Bratanek with Coldwell Banker Southwest Realty. Today, let's go through. So the average sale price for last month was $588,822. So that's a very good average sale price for the year so far. It's higher than the year to date, and so is the median. So we're seeing an upward trajectory on pricing. If you compare it to a year ago, we are down a little bit. The average sale price down 1.69%, the median down about 6.5%. And the reason for that, for the difference, might be because different style of houses sold. I know last month there were a couple sales over $2 million, so those can skew that average sale price quite a bit upwards. If you compare it to last month the average sale price was $527,827, and then the median sale price was $460,000 even. So we're seeing both the average and median sale price on the way up. If you look at the history from basically January onwards, we've been on an upward trajectory each time. So if you compare it to the average sale price to date, that was $527,000, and last month we were at $588,000. Even taking out those $2 million sales, I took those out and ran my numbers, and it was about a $20,000 reduction in the average sale price, bringing us to about $558,000. That's still higher than it has been so far this year. The median sale price at $509,000 was also higher than the median sale price of $475,000 throughout the year so far. So we are seeing that trajectory up. If you're looking to buy or sell right now, it depends on your situation. If you bought exactly a year ago, or maybe January or February of last year, we are down still from there. But if you bought later in the year, or if you bought before that, you've probably done okay on your house so far. Now, because we see this going upwards, it might be worthwhile to wait. But realistically, the higher the prices go, rising tide lifts all boats. So you're going to see the house that you buy is going to be more expensive, and the house that you sell is going to be more expensive. If prices are low, the house that you sell is going to be lower, but the house that you buy is also going to be lower. So that's just one thing to consider. Basically, the best time to buy or sell is when works for you. Trying to time the market is very, very tricky. Most people can't do it. Even most realtors don't really know until they see the stats, or they get a feeling. If you do a significant amount of business, you can get a feeling about what the market is doing based on you having multiple different property types listed, you're working with buyers, all that kind of stuff. You can see what's happening in real time. But for most people, by the time that the prices are up, they start to say now's a great time to buy or to sell because the market is up. And sometimes it can happen where you've already missed that peak. Same thing, I've got lots of buyers right now, and I've got a few of them who are saying, we're going to time the market so that when it bottoms out, we're going to buy right when it bottoms out. Well, I think you've already missed the boat. I think we had a low point in October. Things went up a little bit in November, December. They dropped a little bit down in January at the start of the new year. And then we've seen a steady rise in the average and median sale prices ever since. Now that we're in the spring market, things are getting busier again. So I think we're going to see a good year for the rest of this year. They're saying no more interest rate increases. There could be, but there could also be decreases. I've heard both talked about, and I can't make the decision for the Bank of Canada. But realistically, if the interest rates don't increase, I think we're going to continuously see a increase in the sale price, or the average and median sale prices. And if the interest rates increase, I think we'll see either a slowdown or we will see a drop a little bit. I don't think it's as likely to happen that they're going to be increasing rates any further, at least not this year, but time will tell. So overall, the prediction is good. Houses are still selling. We had sold almost the exact same number of houses last April as the April before. So basically, we had 4 more sales last April than the year before. Not a really big deal. the houses are still selling. That's just the way it is. So if you have any questions about that, or you need some help trying to figure out whether now is the right time to move, give me a call anytime. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to hear more from me. If you have comments, please leave them in the comment section below, or contact me. All of my contact information is beside me and below me in the description. Have a great day.